Hello student, I am Minal Moon, lecturer in Information Technology from Government Polytechnic Brahmapuri. In this video, we will going to see the basic Linux command, that is execution of basic Linux command. So here is 6 basic Linux command which we are going to execute on terminals. So first command is who, which will show the or display who are the user connected to our computer currently. Then second command is who am I, display the details of the current user. The difference between who and who am I is who show the various users, means multiple users. If connected to your system, then it will show the names of that multiple users, and whoami shows the current users only. Okay, then third command is the login command, which will use to log in to your Linux OS. Then fourth one is the password command, that is passwd, which is used to set the password for the particular users. Then fifth one is the su command, that is sudo command, that is super user privilege command, which will provide the super user privileges. Okay, in Linux, the super user is root directory. So if you want to perform some task in Linux, you will require super user privilege. Suppose you want to add users or you want to give the password to that particular users, then you will require some super user privilege. Without that privilege, you cannot add any users or you cannot perform any uh, particular task. So that this command is used for that particular purpose, that is provide the super user privileges. And last command is the wd command, that is present working directory, which will give the present working directory or home directory for that particular user. So we will see one by one this command execute, or we will execute this one by one command in the Linux terminals. So for that purpose, we will open this online Linux Ubuntu Genome 16 terminals. It will take some time, 20 seconds. Okay, wait for some time. Again, it required 22 seconds. Okay, your Linux online terminals or Linux operating system is started. Search for terminals. Okay, open terminals for the execution of basic command. So first command is who command. Who command display the current user connected to your system. Okay, so right now only one user is working on your on this system, that is you or us, it is onworks, and this is your terminal name. And who am I, second command is who am I, will show the current user. Right now only one user is there, so it will display the one name. And who am I, now the I have already tell about the difference between who and who am I. Who show the multiple users, म्हणजे who is used when multiple users are connected to that particular system, and whomi is used to show the name of current users. Now right now here only one user is there, so it will show only one username. Now I will add another user in this system so that you can learn the difference between who and who am I. So for that purpose, I will write this command user add -m minus d slash will create home directory for that user home slash xyz. Okay, then minus c, this is the command syntax for user add. See, then we'll write name for that user xyz and display as xyz. Enter. Okay, now if I want to add the users, it will display permission denied. Why? Because I don't have that privilege to add the users in that particular system. Why? Because our username is onworks. In Linux, the administrative privilege or administrative is your root directory. For that purpose, if we want to add users or give some password to that particular user, then we require some super privilege or administrative uh, rights, so that we are going to use sudo commands. So for that purpose, what we will do, just add sudo before that particular command. So here I will add sudo space user add minus m minus d home xyz c xyz xyz and then enter. Okay, now it will ask for password onwards. So password for this is 123456. Enter. Okay, so this particular user, that is xyz, is add on this system. Now I will give the password for that particular user. So to give or assign password to that particular users, I will write or use this pass wd xyz. Okay, again it will give, may we not modify, because why? Because we don't have the rights to assign password that particular users. If we want to assign the password for that particular users, we require a super user privilege. For that purpose, we will add only sudo before that password command. Sudo password xyz. Okay, now it will ask for the password, so I will give the password for that user is abc123. Again it will ask for abc123. So the password is set for that particular user xyz. Okay, now the creation of another user, that is xyz, is created and password is also assigned for that particular users. Now I want to log in as that x. Now right now I have login as onworks. Now I want to log in as a xyz. So use login xyz. Again it will show the result because we don't have the privilege. So use sudo before that command, sudo login xyz. Okay, it will ask for your password, so abc123. Okay, okay, here you are login as xyz. Here xyz at onward. Now right now we will see the execute the who commands. Okay, who. Okay, here now it will show the two user, that is onworks, that is our previous login id, and second user is the xyz, which will be create just before. Okay, so both users are there. right now currently who name I. Right now we are as login as XYZ, so it will show the current username, that is XYZ. Now I want to log out as a XYZ, so just write exit. So you are log out as XYZ, and again you will return to your previous user such as onworks@onworks.com. Here now who is onworks and who I am is the onworks. Then last command is the pwd command, that is presently working directory. So it will give the present working directory is home onworks.com, and for XYZ present working directory, okay, login sudo login XYZ, then abc123, okay, pwd. Okay, for XYZ the present working directory is home.xyz, or for okay, onworks साठी होती home.onworks. So these are the basic commands of Linux, such as who, which shows the uh, current users log into your systems, multiple users. Then whoami shows the current user's name. Then login is used to log in with that particular users. Then password is used to set the password for that particular user. Sudo command is used to provide super user privileges, and pwd command is display the present working directory of that particular users. Thank you.